And all right, guys, we're in the next spot right now, which is the Family Thrift Outlet on Durham. And the reason why I had to start recording was just look at the sleeve. It never deceives. Clean and crispy. This bud is for you. You got the Budweiser alcoholic beverage. Well, they had this price for only $8 if it would have hit a normal thrift, but it's $2 in here, made in USA. God bless America and no place else, baby. Dude, how awesome is this, guys? I'm so excited for real. Just look at these stacked up button-ups. These are all just multi-colors and 90s as F. I'm trying not to curse, man. I think YouTube be hating on me because I use so much vulgarity. Tripping. But yeah, dude, like you can match these with just about anything. It's like the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air steez collaboed with some Western wear. Amazing. I'm amazing. Yeah, I'm all that. Dude, I really be checking out everything. Y'all see that little hit? That looks like a Bulls jersey. Yeah. Yo, Loki looks like the sun / a washing machine did some damage. Looks like a shark Loki bit the side of this dude's rib cage. You got the Miguel Jordan. Michael Jordan jersey. What size is it? Why is this cut in half too? Like what's happening, bro? Size 48. That's like an extra large. Jordan on the back. Man, that blacked out color scheme is just so crispy, boy. Yes, sir. Miguel Jordan. Michael Jordan, como Jays. I don't know what's been in the water lately, but I've been finding some wrestling tees. Check this out. You got the Rock tee right here. WWF. That is a 1999 exclusive. That boy young. And then you have DDP, that Diamond Dallas Page. You feel me? This is a WCW tee right here. That boy chunking up the Rock. Or the Diamond, you know what I'm saying. These are just amazing. Laying the schmack down, the Rock. Wow. I mean, I've came across 3 wrestling tees in 2 weeks, which for me is a record. I usually don't find these in a thrift, but they here, so I'm blessed. Okay, so this is a little bit strange. You have the vintage pinstriped Texas Rangers jersey by Mirage brand. I've never really heard of it. And it has 34 on the back, no name. And so what I'm guessing is this is like a Mirage. It's like singing Oasis in the desert when you're just tweaking off the desert shrooms, because I think this shit bootleg, bro. But it's a high quality booty leg, which is the best type, so. Clutch slept on vintage. 2 airmail back-to-back made in USA crew necks, 1997. Boy, how unique is that? U.S. Postal Service, baby. All rights reserved. Oh, my guy, Michael Andretti, that full Italian. Hey, man, how's the view? Look at that booty. That's some nice little booty meat on that car. Oh, what a crisper, dude. This is seriously a workout. This jacket is so heavy. But you have the Carhartt kind of denim colorway, little hooded work jacket. This thing is nice. I don't usually see these jackets in this color scheme, so nice little blue, man. For sure. I just said that one piece looked like Carhartt denim, but then we actually got the Carhartt denim jacket right here. You don't come across these all too often. Really tiny pockets too, like they're long and skinny. Just like my cock. Oh man, I love nothing more than a bird smoking on the cush, boy. Look at this, all ironed on. Some stay-at-home mom put in work on this custom made in USA, super vintage. It's all about the what?
It's all about the you.
Crew neck. Dang, Big Teddy about to burst at the seams. Look at this all embroidered poo crew neck. Hold up, nice little cufflets. Just look at him, as satisfied as can be. That's one happy bear, baby. Oh, yes. Young genius? Check it out, man. Paper thin Alberto Einstein on the Hanes made in USA frame. Yes, dual wield essentials, man. I would keep these in the personal if I didn't have too many clothes. USA Russell Athletics all embroidered, the North Face Essential box logo. T. Actually, I'm gonna keep this, dude. Guys, this shit is actually cool as f. Just the graphic on it, the Bob and Tom You Guys Rock radio show. Dude, on the logo 7 vintage heavyweight, 102.9 Wing FM. Nationally syndicated radio. Ooh, this is a prime example of my sayings right here. New school, but still cool. You got that Guess Los Angeles cut and sew all embroidered crew neck. It is new based off that little tag right there, and it's made in China. But this piece still looks dope as hell. And if it's thrifted, dude, you're reusing, you're recycling, and you're doing your due diligence. That's fire. Holy smokes, Marty Bird swag. You have that Shooters 21.
21.
Lake of the Ozarks vintage tee. Holy, this is clean in a single stitch. Oh, Tony Stewart moved on from Home Depot to Mobile One. That just shows how much I actually follow NASCAR. These NASCAR tees go hard. What a classic brand, bro. Starter goes harder. I'm a more freaking star boy. Yo, that piece is crispy. I might have to keep that in the personal collection. I just like the subtle bro. Like, damn. But I like that loud too. Just like that bird.
Smoke weed every day.
Bro, I seriously was about to get this piece, but check it out. A bird dropped a bomb out the poop chute. What the heck? That must have been a pelican or something, like an albatross just busting loads on this. That is despicable. I still kind of want it though. No cap. Ooh. Yo, look at that vintage Hooters tee. I'm telling you guys, this owl is sprung. He probably is the one that dropped a load on that starter crew neck. A little nasty wise ass. Hey, it happened in another video last week. Y'all saw that United States crew neck. DC ain't around, guys. Look at this piece, cut and sew with the screen printing. Man, this piece is hitting. Come on, dude. Come on, hanger, please work with me. Ooh, that ultimate collab, the champion, USA Budweiser Olympic sponsor. Hell yeah. Hey, you can layer that jacket with this shirt and be out there putting in work, boy. Ooh, we on that bum shit? You already know. Hey, Soldier Boy said it first. Superman that. Dude, taken by force. You got the Castrol GTX Superman tee.
Oh my God!
Bruh. Flex my bicep and I swole on. Hold up. Caramel color scheme. Polo Sport by Ralph Lauren. This is an essential like a motherfucker guy. Oh my dick. This thing is a blessing. That's just a fashion classic right here. We got one, guys. An absolute grail. Dude, this is one that could easily slip your mind. It's the Pink Floyd World Tour 1987 tee. And the reason why I said this could slip your mind is this is in such good condition. It seriously looks like a reprint. Like it looks that new, but you gotta look at the makeup of the shirt. It's on that, what's that say? Springford Classic? Made in USA, says it was a size large, it's shrunk down, but it is a nice single stitch. And man, the graphic is just amazing on this dude right here. And I kid you guys not, man, these 80s tour tees and band tees fit so comfortably. It is ignoramus. It's stupid. So yeah, this is a must cop. Satellites.
I don't feel like counting, so I bought the money counting.
Dude, I'm blessed. Speechless and blessed. Yeah. Ooh, guys, check this out. You have the Harry Perry Venice Beach Classic. So I think homie just skated around playing this guitar, if I am correct. Really, man? Boy got the dreads just tucked away. Dude, the design on this shirt is so crazy, so crispy. That's a must cop, dude. Back-to-back band tee bangers. Holy shit. Yeah. Woo. All right, guys, and we're out of there. Secured the sack. Shout out Family Thrift once again at $2 is what the starting price is on Fridays over here. And then it goes down 25 cents each day after that. But yeah, they got donations coming in, dude. It's crazy. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, like, comment, and subscribe. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. And until next time, baby, I am out. ThriftedVintage.com is my store. So if you guys want anything you saw, check the link in the video description. You know what time it is. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roosted. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.